secured the Nando's and also secured a big traffic jam, so I think we're going to do a bit of a time lapse. So yeah, let's roll. Still got an hour and 50 to go. Bet you can't guess where we're sat in traffic. Probably flipping Stonehenge. Well, I know it is, you can see it. Just down there. It's classic A303. So, maybe I'll slow down and get some videos as I go past. Oh, stones! Just got to Isaac's. Gonna get some kip and then get the suspension sorted first thing in the morning, and then we get ripping. I think we're gonna need to water the track because it's a bit dry, but we'll probably get some riding here. Maybe do some enduro first. Moto 33, doing a quick repair on the old forks. She's fucked. Done her well. So he's gonna give it the touch. It's 10:14. Thanks, Ian. Like new. Peek up, can't be rolling around looking like a goon. Looks trick. Yeah, I'll show you the bike in a second. Here's the rig. We got good little parts of this. eBay CRF levers. We've got a bit of a leaky fork seal. ODI lock-on grips, Renthal toolbars, fork springs and heavier weight oil, foot pegs, kickstart E-limb, proper shot from America. 3-pin brake adjust, diamond minis, shift shaft, brace and the gear lever. Another diamond minis, chain guide, then another lifesaver. What have you got on yours?
A whole lot of
not a lot. I know Isaac's got the fork springs, got some levers, bit of bling. He's got the diamond minis.
All these expensive parts that brake has.
Standard Just had a quick test of the track. It's dry. We're gonna go for a bit of an enduro, enduro, then we're gonna walk the track, have some lunch, and then see what we do after that. This is all private land, so we're allowed. We've got some fucking enduro spots. Look at the sketchy old pallet bridge. Oh, snapped it! Oh! Go on! Go through it! Oh! Right, I'm going straight through. Oh! We got a stick with us. Get that out of the way. Where's Isaac? He's stuck. What's going on, boy? Back brake.
Hey, what bolts have come loose?
What, the rear wheels come loose?
Yeah, it's like locked up. Fuck it, we'll send a bit through brambles.
Through the brambles. Here he goes. Look at the dog go. Alright, I just got his chain tightened over the hole. So we're going to find another spot. Rose cut me up so bad. Straight through that shit. Whoa. Front wheel straight in that.
We should play a game of bike.
Game of bike. I got them. I had the great idea of playing a game of bike, so you set, go up and around there, no feet off, just got to follow it. Go on Oscar, your go. You got to do that, what I just done. No, you can't put your feet down. No, he's still not put a foot down, come on, get through it. No, foot's still not gone down. Oh. The set is get back up, get down. Oh yes.
Big old tree in
Easy. No, he's not. He's getting straight up. Power!
I sent the letter.
Taking the letter.
I'm not trying to flood my bike.
You go do it.
No, stop! What are you doing? Just turn around. You're not getting up that one there.
Wait. Ray wonders how many bikes he gets and the reason behind it.
Oh, the dog just got T-boned! What's the set?
That. And he failed.
Oh, I just took a letter! That's the set! That was the set! You've got a letter! I didn't know! I didn't know! He's got a letter!
Tell us.
I've got video proof!
No, you got to tell us.
No, he just said that, you failed! I just got a letter! There we go! We'll take it in this one, we'll take it back in here. Right, I'm going to go straight on. Nice and easy. Oh!
That cat.
Fail.
What are we saying?
Fail. Alright, redo it.
Redo it, you can have a redo. Yeah, he's fine. Oh! Oh! What is that? Oh! Oh! What is that? Oh, I had a rock in my lap. A rock come up and landed on my lap. I'm soaked. We're having a look at the set, potential set going on. I think I've seen the vision. Oh my god. Oh! He's failed! He's failed! My set! And jump off through the water there.
Yeah.
That's quite deep. Test it! The dog don't think he's going to do it. Oh! Oh! He's nuts round the tree! That is awesome.
That is good.
That's what fans are here.
Completely upside down. Get her over, get her over. Otherwise we're going to have engine oil on the pistons. Ah!
Oh, she's taking a batter. Oh, you made it all the way through.
You should have just stayed right.
Bro, I did and I spun.
Are you at that rock by your
I don't
foot?
think that set counts, everyone.
Nah, I
Yes,
think,
it does.
The set doesn't count, you crashed.
yeah, you get a left
Clean
I've
snap.
got another pleaser.
He wants to lift up with the front end. And he's out, and he's out, and he's out. Into another tree.
I ain't got a clutch.
Oh,
No, he ain't got a back brake.
you got. Where are you going? Through the river?
I don't know where I'm going because I ain't got a clutch to save me.
He's going straight over the pallet bridge of doom. I'm hiding. This is my
Where's the
safety.
gate?
Bomb, dead bomb. Fresh goggles.
TLC. TLC. Bad day in the books. Snap lever. Cost me money.
Track's too dry. Levers are snapping.
What more else could you want?
Watering's done. Going in. One corner done. Got some holes in our pipe. So I brought this one up my finger. That's easy. Got another hole here. Not gone fully to plan, but we've got a couple corners watered. He's got his sunnies on, he's got his goggles, swimming goggles on.
Safety goggles.
Safety goggles. That's it, that's good. Now we got some real pressure in there. Still dust coming out, but
We
First.
watered this probably like
An
half
hour.
hour ago.
got a bit tackiness going on here. We didn't have time to do the whole thing because the hose was pretty shagged, but
If anyone wants to sponsor this video,
it's sponsored
I
a
would
video
love
of a
some
Bowser.
pipe or a water barrel to start my tractor.
We just need a pipe to make the track rideable. Left the pipe on the track. Take out line. Oh! You smothered me. Smother it back. I am smothered.
Skip the week, mate.
Look at the state of me. Goggles. No armour vision on there, I'll have to get one on. Oh, he's done me on the hill! Oh, we're on the rough line. give him.
Yeah, I've done it and then died.
Something feels really loose.
Your back leg feels really heavy.
I just said that. I just said mine feels really loose.
Yeah, mine feels really loose.
I've got a couple clicks harder on my shock. Oh yeah?
Yeah,
Ready for the slow.
oh.
Push it out. Oh! It's going rock. Oh! Coming out every bar. Whoa! Right, we're on Isaac rear end cam. Where I'll be because he's a bit lighter than me. Quite a bit, so.
I'm sweating.
Same.
Bad.
Anyway. had like 3 feet dancing. That was close. Oh my. I've danced.
Get up there.
Nice work! Oh yeah!
Get like that, fine.
That's nice. Oh, you need to try and get through the middle of them 2 trees.
There.
Yeah. What? Yeah? We got that. Through there and over there. Take that off.
Nah, mate, that's fine. That is...
You got that? Right, I'm gonna go. I'm doing it.
You're doing it.
Yeah, see what I mean? What do you reckon? Give it a scrape.
No, you definitely got that set up there.
If not, other side. 100% have it from the other side. It's to drop back down you struggle. Oh no, you got it. Yeah. It's about shoulder height. I've done a little bit of damage here to the poor old tree. The tree's ancient. It's been there 100+ years, and Rafe just obliterated it.
I've just wounded it.
You just wounded it. Let me go from this side. Get you stacking it. Nice. Said it wouldn't work.
I don't reckon you got that.
I don't think we got it from that side. Let's have a little look at the damage. That needs bending out.
Isaac, I reckon you
Come
got
on. That's it. That's it. That's it. Nice, brand new.
Brake lever,
Brand
brake
new.
lever's brand new now.
Brand new. Brand new.
Perfect. Gear lever.
that. Better than
Yeah, she works.
Gear lever's fine.
I reckon we go from the other side this time. I reckon. Yeah, I reckon one more try the other side.
One more try the other side. This is enduro style pit bikes.
And now he's stuck in a tree. And that, my friends, is Rafe's stunt. And now he's got to try and get down the other side.
Oh, fuck.
He's stacking it, he's going to stack it.
Oh, I nearly stacked it.
Rafe.
So stuck.
Oh, shit. You've got to go down the vert drop. Oh, your bike's about to go OTV.
Let go of it.
No, I'm not letting go. It's in gear. It's in gear. Hold on.
To the rescue.
Oh!
We got it down. We've had enough for the day. It's 6:30. And I've broken my watch again. It's fully broken now. And we're going to do a couple more corners and then call it a day. I'm going to rail this one and skim the whoops. The dog's in the way. Did you see Isaac? Did he go down? Did you get that?
Think so, yeah.
Down. Get the front end.
Here's the whoop section.
I don't even want to hit it.
It's not nice skimming them, is it?
No. My wrists feel like they're going to snap.
Yeah, but we've got to do it for the video, so
I've got to do it for the vlog.
you've got to do it for the vlog.
Ready? Go first. Film it.
Oh, go on then, you go now. Watch out, dog's in the way. Oh my god!
Jumping on top like I do on a big bike.
You just doubled and then skimmed.
No, I tried fucking coming in, clipping my back end on the second.
You tried to wheelie the first one. Oh! No, it don't work like that on these. Redemption, redemption.
Right.
Your turn. Keep it going or separate video?
That's my go. No.
Stop filming me.
He knows the whoops. He knows the whoops. That's why. that's it. We're done for today. We've done probably about 3-4 hours of riding, track prep, enduro, motocross. So we've done quite a bit. So yeah, we'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully we get a bit of rain. It's looking pretty dark over there. So we might be lucky and get some. So we'll see. See you tomorrow. It's now Wednesday, actually. It's 12:40. I'm editing the video on my phone on the DJI app because I don't know how to do it on the computer. And so, if you've watched the end of this one, thank you. But this is 32 minutes long at the minute. I've still got a bit more to do. So it's going to be 2 parts. So stay tuned for the next part which is Sunday, day 2.